Welcome back and on to some news coming in from the state of Punjab, where political sources closer to Captain Amrinder Singh have told Republic that Sidhu has wasted the time of the Congress party. This massive revelation comes after the Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu dropped a big political hint, tweeting that the opposition Aam Aadmi Party has always recognized his vision and work for Punjab. This also comes at a time when there has been no end in sight to the tussle within the Punjab Congress. And now sources close to Captain Amrinder Singh have told Republic that Sidhu has wasted the time of the party after we saw several back-to-back meetings that were underway, the infighting that continues. Let me go across to my colleague Anuj, who's also joining us live. Yes, Anuj, certainly a very important development that we are tracking this afternoon, with political sources closer to Captain Amrinder Singh telling and confirming to us that in a way, Sidhu has wasted the time of the Congress party. For so long, there have been back-to-back meetings, negotiations and whatnot that were underway. And now we are witnessing this kind of a favorism and appreciation tweet coming in from Navjot Singh Sidhu towards Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, this particular tweet of Navjot Singh Sidhu favouring Aam Aadmi Party is going to be a worrisome situation for the Congress Party. There is no second thought about it. Because if we talk about the dividation, if we talk about the factions which was seen divided in the Punjab Congress unit, it was Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh. To tackle the issue, to handle the situation, there were meetings after meetings which were called in the national capital. A committee was constituted by Sonia Gandhi, and they also held meeting with the several MPs, MLAs and representative of Punjab. Whereas, let me also remind you that this was none other but Navjot Singh Sidhu himself who met with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in the national capital. So, after these kind of meetings, this was finally Captain Amrinder Singh who met with Sonia Gandhi. But as if till now, if we talk about the current situation, nothing has reached to conclusion. But now Navjot Singh Sidhu coming out with this kind of tweet and favouring Aam Aadmi Party and saying that this is the party which understand me is clearly a hint. Rather, this is going to be a pressure tactic by Navjot Singh Sidhu to the High Command, because no decision has been taken till now. Or something, it may be that the back, behind the curtain, the talks are on. If we talk about Navjot Singh Sidhu and Aam Aadmi Party, because we have to keep in mind that Aam Aadmi Party is also looking for a face from Punjab. On the other hand, this was none other but the leadership of Aam Aadmi Party when Arvind Kejriwal last time visited Punjab, who had made it very much clear that we are going to give you a sick face. So who exactly that sick face is going to be? But Navjot Singh Sidhu, if we talk about the timing, coming out with this kind of tweet is clearly hinting something, and that is the backdoor talks, that is the talks behind the curtain which is on. But we have to wait and watch whether it will be coming out officially or this is going to be a pressure tactic. But if we talk about totality, then we need to understand, if we talk about the attempt which was made in by the Congress party when the top brasses intervene in the same, Sonia Gandhi herself, Priyanka Gandhi herself, Rahul Gandhi himself, all were intervening in the Punjab issue, and nothing has reached to conclusion, was a hint that both the leader, the duo, whether being it Navjot Singh Sidhu or Captain Amrinder Singh, is important for Punjab. So this is going to be another trouble for the Congress Punjab unit and the top brasses, because the message will go to the cadre. Because of the infighting, the split could be clearly seen.
Right.
So let's see, wait and watch what exactly will be the next move of Navjot Singh Sidhu. But yes, this favour of Navjot Singh Sidhu coming out with this kind of tweet is clearly hinting something.
In fact, Anuj, if we take a look at some of the information coming in from political sources close to Captain Amrinder Singh, they also state that he has not just wasted the party's time for so long, but at the same time, how he has been singing Aam Aadmi Party's tunes, how he has been making some noise surrounding the Aam Aadmi Party as well. And it has been clear as to how this was an attempt possibly made by Navjot Singh Sidhu to damage the party's reputation, meanwhile creating a rift within the Punjab unit. These are serious allegations, as well as in a way perspective being given to sources close to the captain himself.
Well, if we believe the sources and this kind of line has been taken by Captain Amrinder Singh and the faction of Captain Amrinder Singh, then this is also making it clear that the mood has been already made in by the top brasses, including Captain Amrinder Singh. Because if we talk about the last meeting of this whole chapter of this whole infighting of the Punjab Congress unit, then this was Captain Amrinder Singh who met with Sonia Gandhi. And after that, now this kind of line is coming out, and Navjot Singh Sidhu is also like tweeting in favor of Aam Aadmi Party, is also making a hint and also making it clear and giving a direction to the view that something is happening behind the curtain. Because if Captain is saying that Navjot Singh Sidhu has wasted his time doing meetings after meetings in the national capital, knocking the doors of the top brasses of the Congress party here in the national capital, and after that finally nothing has reached to conclusion. Because we have to keep in mind, if we talk about the infighting, we were told that some release will come out, some decision will come out. Committee has already submitted the report, so the top brasses will be coming out with something, but nothing has reached to conclusion. So this is also a clear hint. Yes.
All right, thank you so much, Anuj, for getting us that update, and we'll be closely tracking these developments. Since morning we are witnessing once again the infighting that continues within the Punjab Congress Party.